Hey guys, it's Carter. Haven't made a drawing video in a while, but if you look back at my very first video, is how to draw the red bird from Angry Birds. Oh, please. I look back at that and I go, well, that kind of sucked. So I'm gonna redo that because I've gotten a lot better at drawing the red bird, stuff like that. So I did a few things wrong on that other one. So it's basically kind of the same thing. I'm gonna go like that. And the top feathers are a lot smaller than I did. They should be like that. And that. Like there. Now I'm gonna draw more of the one that you see on the front cover of the thing. Or, you know, the icon on the app. So his beak is like that, and then comes down a little bit. And then you get his teeth and his bottom beak part. And then the in between his eyes there with the eyebrows. And just shade that like so. And the eyes, they're way too big when I did the original one. They should only be like that instead of way out here. Should not be way out there. So then the eyes shaded in like that. And then the stomach like that. And the tail shaded. And what I think I'll do is I'm going to color it. Because I haven't done that yet. I think I'll color it. And I'll see if you guys like that. I'll time-lapse it. So if you guys like the coloring, then leave in the comments below. And yeah, let's get to the coloring. Okay, so guys, that's the end of the video. Comment, like, rate, subscribe. Well, definitely subscribe. Because it's not just drawing. We do drawing, gaming, tutorials, parodies, little short sketches, skits, whatever you call them, and little funny story things with like videos. And so yeah, comment below if you like the sorry, it wasn't colored as good, but those are the colors it would be. Comment if you like the coloring part of it. I'm gonna keep doing it, I think I'll keep doing it. Yeah, so yeah, see you guys later.